How to send fake snaps on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first step is to open your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account. As we know that if you send a picture from our gallery, then it will be directly sent to the chat and not as a quick snap. In order to send it as a real snap, what you need to do is tap on this icon at the bottom. Here in the search bar, you need to search for upload. Tap on the very first filter. It will directly show you the picture from your gallery. Now click on this plus icon. It will take you to your camera roll. Select the picture that you want to send it as a snap. Now let me select this picture. Now click on this button. Now your snap is ready to be sent. You can edit the snap with all of these features here. And once you are done, click on next. Send the snap to the person that you want. So right now let's send it to myself. The snap has been successfully sent. Now go back and check the inbox of the person that you have sent the snap. There you go, the picture from your gallery has been sent as a real snap. So this is it, and this was a tutorial video on how to send a fake snap on Snapchat. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.